right, so just received this. Let's take a look at it. Now I've taken the liberty of pulling everything out of its plastic, so it doesn't come like this. It's all wrapped in plastic and everything. But anyway, here it is. You can look at all the specs on here and take a screenshot if you want. Okay? And this is a portable electric vehicle charger. And I have a Volt, so mine, here, let me show you. This is the head that would go into your Volt to charge it. It does come with this, so you can, you know, for protection. But that's it right there. Very simple, right? Then it also comes with this. And this plug right here, you're like, wait a minute, that's not going to work, right? So they do give you this extension that you can put on there. You see that? So now I can put it into my 110 GFI, and I have a circuit breaker on it, and it's dedicated to a 30 amp fuse, so I don't have to worry about, you know, problems with that. But this would plug into your 110. It's grounded, and then you just put this in your Volt, and bam, Bob's your uncle. I think this might work on Teslas. I'm not sure. I've never charged the Tesla, so I wouldn't know. But as soon as my car gets out of the shop, we're going to hook this all up, and we're going to see how she works. But until then, yeah, that's the EVDance electric car charger. All right, if you like the video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos on cool stuff like that.